we're going to show you how to do an effect that looks something like this.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent. We are still living in purgatory forever and ever. Release us from our prison.
Release us.
What is up, people of the internet? I am Bobby.
And I'm Brent.
And you're watching.
All right, Brent, so what are we working on today?
Today we're doing some more spooky stuff a month too late from Halloween.
Yes,
but
it's even further from Halloween than the last
getting
video.
further away, but we don't care because that's how we roll, baby.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago we had the lizard thing.
Yeah.
And then last week we had the
Night vision.
And now this week...
We're doing a little ghosty effect here.
Woo! So...
ghosty sounds and ghosty looks.
Ooh, yeah, so guys, we're going to show you how to make your video look ghost-like.
Yes.
So, without further ado... Here we go! Woo!
Right in.
So...
You asked me, there's nothing spookier than Thanksgiving anyway.
True.
The massacre of the native peoples of this country.
It's pretty spooky.
It's very spooky.
And you know what's even spookier?
What's that?
The lies that the government tells us
Yes.
about the dinner that never happened.
Yes, it's ridiculous. It is ridiculous.
And they didn't even eat turkeys, guys. They ate lobster.
Yeah, they ate lobsters. It's so inaccurate.
It gets me more mad than Stranger Things season 2 when Will says he has his now memories from the Boo Boo Monster.
He doesn't say it like that.
I have my now memories. The Boo Boo Monster with my clap clap noises.
Wow.
So dumb. He acts like a kindergartner.
Wow.
But without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Still worth watching. Good season.
It is a good season. So, should we give him a look? A taste at what this is?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
Take a taste.
Take a gander.
A taste.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
That's all they're going to get for now. When we're
That's
done,
probably all they want.
yeah, when we're done with the video, we'll show you the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's just a little sneak preview.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we have this little video of me and Brent just having fun, being the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
Yeah. We
So-
were pretty pumped about it, right? In this particular screen grab.
Yeah, we're really excited. Look at Brent's rolling up his sleeves. He's ready to go.
Ready to ghost it up.
I'm just staring right at the camera,
Yeah.
staring into your soul.
As you do.
So, let's first add a sound effect to this effect to make
Yes.
it ghostly.
Yeah.
So we're going to go into our effects, and let's look up analog delay. And the first thing you'll notice when you drag this analog delay onto the audio is that the sound's gone.
It's gone. No.
Where'd it go?
Where did it go?
Well, let's go into our effects controls here, and if we edit our analog delay, you'll see that there are these different presets here.
Okay.
Now, it's on 50 slapback. For whatever reason, 50 slapback doesn't like making noise. So, what we're going to do is we're going to find a different preset, and I like using the preset public address. And now let's see what this sounds like.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
So that sounded pretty good, but
Yeah.
I think it could be a little more ghostly.
Yeah. If anything, it sounds kind of similar to what a slapback delay sounds like. It's got
Actually,
that
yeah.
little bip, 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 little slappy.
Quick little, like you're in a small room, you got a delay coming right back at you.
Yep.
So we're going to bump up our delay to about 400 here. And now we'll take a listen and we'll see what has changed.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
Sounds a lot more ghostly to me.
Yeah, it's getting creepier. I'm getting the chills. I'm
Okay,
spooked.
so now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of color to make this a little creepier. So we're going to go into our Lumetri color presets, and let's lower the tint just a little bit, and maybe we'll lower the saturation,
Lose that satch.
bump up some contrast, maybe a little bit of exposure, and we'll go into our vignette, and we will pull it down a little bit. So it's a little creepier now.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
Now we're also going to do a motion trail effect to finish this off. So the way that you can do that is you can go in and look for your echo effect. But Brent, watch what happens when I drag this on.
Okay.
See that?
Holy moly.
just added this red bar, and
Oh boy.
it's causing a lot of issues here.
Our rendering is all messed up.
So I tell you
Don't
what,
know
guys,
what to do.
we're gonna show you a shortcut.
Show us a shortcut.
I don't
Bobby.
like this echo effect, so let's delete it.
I'm all about cutting them corners, baby.
All the internet's gonna tell you to do is use the echo effect, but we're gonna delete that because we're not like that. We're not gonna wait for rendering.
We don't listen to the internet.
Listen to the
We
internet.
tell the internet what's up.
We are the internet.
We
so-
are the internet. We are the Matrix.
The way that we're going to do this is we're going to zoom in here,
Okay.
and we're going to Alt-click and drag our video above to the layer above. So now we have 2 different layers of our video. What we're going to do is we're going to drag this top video to the right, just a little bit.
To the right, to the right.
So now they're off from each other, just slightly. So then we're going to take this video, and we're going to click on our opacity, and we're going to change it to 20. So now you can see that it is revealing a clip with a delay that is more opaque, so you can see through it.
Aha.
So let's take a look and see how that looks, if we need to adjust anything.
We are the ghosts of Bobby and Brent.
I think that looks pretty good so far, but
It's got a dreamy quality.
it could probably be a little more dramatic. So let's
Yeah.
drag it to the right a little bit more.
We are the ghosts
There we
of
go.
Bobby and Brent.
So that's how you create a profile picture on Facebook. Thanks for watching this episode of Learning. I'm Bobby.
I am the ghost of Brent.
And you're watching Chris Angel, Mind Freak.
David Blaine. Dude who does magic.
So Brent,
Yep.
what do you think our viewers really think of us?
You know, I think we're probably their favorite part of the channel.
Well, let's take a look at some of these comments that we have here.
Oh yeah, we haven't done a comment of the week in a while.
We just want to make sure that you guys know it's all love from Bobby and Brent. We
Yes.
love you guys. You know,
Yes.
even if you hate us,
Yes.
we love you.
Yeah. Sometimes it feels like it's a lot of hate. Well, it's like they're the father figure that we're like so desperately trying to get love
Yes.
from, and then all they do is like tell us how terrible we are and how we'll never gain their approval.
I love
And
it.
yeah, we keep trying. We keep trying.
Yeah. So without further ado, Brent, hand me a piece of gum. I need to be prepared for this.
Okay. I'm not sure how the gum's gonna help, but I'm on board for the ride.
We got Quintus Boonzaire,
Wow.
and he says,
Okay.
"Get Bobby and Brent to start their own channel. This is not the reason we subscribed." Exclamation point! Exclamation point! Exclamation point!
Oof, that's a lot of
Exclamation
points.
point! Exclamation point!
Wow, 5.
Yeah.
Damn.
You will lose subscribers. Keep them behind the scenes or away. Period. Next time, I'm unsubscribing. Okay, first thing I want to say about this comment.
Okay.
You gotta capitalize the I in I'm. Okay? So yeah, that's the first thought I have with this.
Okay.
You know, Brent, I feel like this is forced. I don't care enough about this. to
This
talk
is
about
true. We're trying to act like we're upset, but we really
it.
aren't.
We really don't care. Quintus, listen. I appreciate that you won't like us enough to want us to do our own channel, right? Because I mean, he could just want us not on YouTube at all.
Right.
So, Quintus, we appreciate you.
We're gonna take that as a compliment, and we're gonna show up in more videos, baby. Schadenfreude.
Yeah, we're gonna just pop into.
We're gonna show up in every video now.
Yeah, we're already infiltrating Test Time News. So I think that was a productive session.
Yes.
Join us again next week.
I feel like we just had like family therapy or
I
something.
think so too.
It's kind of drained.
There's
to
a
be honest.
$50 copay,
Oh, oof. Oh
but
boy.
you know what?
Oh boy.
Since it's Halloween, since it's 3 weeks after Halloween, I'm gonna give you a 10% discount.
Oh wow.
Okay, get $5 off.
Okay.
All right, $45 copay.
Okay. I can live with that, I guess.
Yeah.
Just I'm gonna write a check now, but can you just like wait to the end of the month to cash it?
This is the 3rd time in a row, Brent, that you were late on this check.
Listen, I have a weird pay cycle, so it's just
Fine,
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 help me out.
fine,
all right.
fine.
I don't want to have an overdraft fee.
You know, if you guys want to help me and Brent out, you can go check out our Patreon, where you can buy me and Brent lunch. So go check that out. Give us some money. We should actually start a Patreon.
Yeah, it is the lunch Patreon. Buy Bobby and Brent lunch.
Yeah, I mean, listen.
Look at us, we're wasting
Quintus
away
would
over
buy-
here.
Quintus probably feels bad enough at this point where he'd give us lunch money. And we're not bullying you out of it.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe we should start bullying him to get someone's money.
Yeah. I don't know. I like Quintus, despite his issues.
Yes.
I like you, Quintus.
Yeah. You seem a little too angry.
Yeah. I mean, like, are we really
I'm
that
concerned.
bad?
I'm concerned.
Yeah. I mean, we like you, but like, are we really that bad? Do we make you that upset? Are we that annoying? Like, I'm sorry. See you, Quintus.
I don't know what we're doing anymore.
Bye, guys. That is a long end plate. We love you.
Most of this is getting cut.
I don't know. I might just throw it all in.
This extended thing. This extended thing of us just like complaining about YouTube comments.
All right. I'm going to end the video because the screen recording's still going on.
That's cool. Oh,
All
we're
right.
getting side messages.
Yeah. Video is over.
We're still recording, by the way.